Look at that. That I like. This is another one of those units that the family walked away. Well, that is kind of a unique piece. I would say it's $100 in my eyes. Gentleman passed away. Family didn't want the unit. They're states away and they just got to let it go. Ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates of all ages, it's pirate time. I am here. I am your captain, Storage Auction Pirate. And we are here with another storage unit. That's what we do for a living. We are the Storage Auction Pirate. We are not just a pirate. We are not the pirate. We are not just any pirate. We are the Storage Auction Pirate. That's right. That's the king of storage units right here. We are back at another one. We've hit a jackpot on this storage unit right here. I think, in my opinion, we bought 3 units, and it was very simple. The lady said the gentleman passed away. Family didn't want the unit. They're states away, and they just got to let it go. You pay the bill, you can have it for the month. 3 unit, and it's all yours. $559 I paid for 3 units. I got almost 3.5 weeks, 3 weeks to empty them, right? We've paid for all of them in just this one unit. Just that one top drawer right there paid for everything. If you missed it, go back and watch the video. Anyway, let's get started. We still have all of these amazing boxes right here to get through, and then we're gonna get on to unit number 2. This is gonna be interesting. I've been wanting to see in this all day, and we keep just kind of overlooking it. So let's get to it now. And that's just how we do it. Tape it is, tape it does. Okay, so this is just one. This looks like not a new old one. This looks like more like a, this doesn't look like a traditional old one. I don't know. It doesn't have painting. It's more like a print. It's got some ducks and some stuff like that. I thought this was gonna be a cool paper rice paper one, but I don't think it is. It's just a copy, but that's still cool. In my world, that's a $20 bill at the flea market, so we'll get that all put up and put away. Andy's bedroom. Andy's bedroom pillow. Yes, that is Andy's bedroom. Not Andy's bedroom's guns. Alright, this has been obviously opened, but ooh, okay. Now that is unique, and I like it because look, see that? That's not made in China. That is some type of signature. Okay. Smith and Hawken, made in Turkey. This one is kind of nice. Made by N&H&M. I'll have to take a better look at that table. Maybe we'll have more. Maybe those are nesting tables, and there's going to be a handful of it. For now, we're going to just wrap them up, and we are going to carry on. Holy smokes. Interesting. This got real different. What does that say? Korea. That is a serious brass plate. That is a serious brass plate. Look at that. Boy, what does this go to? Come on, baby. Let's see the real deal of the holy. So let's get to the bottom of this thing, and then we'll work our way back up. And see what we got. Look at that. That I like. Gumps. Sterling silver. It's a little damaged. We could probably push it up. Sweet. Sweet baby Jeebus. Clear glass vase. I want to reiterate that this is another one of those units that the family walked away. I seem to be buying a lot of units this lately where somebody passed away and the family walked away. It's easier on my conscience. What is this? Anybody? Is that a vase? GW. I want to take a little closer look at that because that is different. It looks like some something. Hay or something, or barley. Doesn't look normal. Classic American flag. All right, Martha by mail. We're gonna put that aside in our good pile because who doesn't like an American flag? Alright, we're getting some weird stuff here. Oh, Smith, right? MS, Smith. But these are still neat. I'm gonna set them aside for now. Those will definitely end up in the Alameda pile if nothing else. Legacy box, Forever Made Simple. Legacy, Chill. White Cloud, Wolf Camera, Old Beverly Charlie. I don't know. This is weird. Somebody had their videos put on videos. There's another family vase here. Yes, yes it is. No, it's not, but it's still cool. We gotta have these looked at because I don't know nothing about these. They're clay. Clay is hot. These are almost, would you call them, I wouldn't call them modern Danish, but they have that modern feel that a lot of people are seeking. I see the people at my market selling them quite often. And what do we have, a big one now? Yep. Very unique. Very different. Alright. Crude. I don't even like that. It's not even cute. But we'll set it aside. We're just going to set them out in these other boxes. Try to make this simple on us. Because what the heck. And then we're going to go sealed DVD player. That's kind of cool, actually. I'm going to set that aside because that is Blu-ray and is sealed. The girl's been wanting some TVs in their room. The little woman might allow them to, and should she choose to, we're going to need them. Oh, yeah, what was in here? We said we would come back to this. Is this intricate, or is it flip? I don't know what that is. I just made that word up. That is actually not a bad pot. I'm going to set that aside too because the little woman likes flower pots. What she really likes is flowers. She loves flowers. Really easy way to her heart is buy her lots of flowers. That's what I learned. Oh, what happened here? That was almost a cool drawer. It almost popped up with some jewelry. Might have had some at one point. Silver plated Godinger. A dime. We'll put that in our pocket. What did he do for a living? He made some business cards. Somebody just ransacked this one and left it to dry. That's all this was. So we have Walton Mount. I don't know what that is. An ashtray. An Elgin. That's kind of cool. One of those $5 to $10. We'll set that aside in a unique New York type bag. It's a door clapper. It's the other one of these we already found with sterling silver. Last one had jewelry. Okay. This box is wrecked. It was ransacked and pillaged. Somebody took what they wanted, left me nothing. What the? Oh, okay. Look at this. Look at this flower pot. Okay. Little woman, I'm going to bring this home for you. Because that is pretty tight. Look at that. polyethylene, trimethylchloroethane. I don't know what this is for. Trimalacetone acetonide. Do not freeze. I don't know what the heck you use that for. Isopropyl palmolite, benzoyl alcohol. What do you do with this, guys? Let's comment what you do with that. Okay, this is kitchen. And we have another one of these pieces, but where is the KitchenAid? Where is the KitchenAid? I threw it on the ground. These could be money. What do we got here? Oh yes, where are you at? Where are you? That's the Griswold 8. That lid itself is worth money. Cast iron, Sulfalon, that's $5. I want the rest of that pan though. A lampshade. Yep. We're just getting this one out the way because it just needs to go. That's all it is for me at this point. Just needs to get empty because this one has been raped, pillaged, and plundered. See if they left us any trinkets behind. Probably not though, because this is well picked. Very annoying. Thank you. This is heavy. I don't know what it is. What in the tarnations? That is kind of cool. I actually like it. It's like a fireplace thing. I'm gonna bring that home, put it in front of our fireplace, and see what the little women think. That is kind of a unique piece. Not cheap. What would you guys speculate something like that is worth? It's kind of got, I wasn't say it's got a heart, but I would say it's $100 in my eyes. This guy like a vacuum collector or something? Dual Hoover check bag. I am honestly going to look into these just to see what I think I can get for this, because I've never seen one in that shape. Uncertain if there's money involved in that. And then we have, what's this one? Let's see here. Hoover Dial-O-Matic. And then what do we have here? An Electrolux. An Electrolux, an Electrolux. These are fireplace tools, so yeah. And we got one of these carts right here. Let me see if I can. There we go. Wrought iron. It's got a great little pattern, places for drinks and stuff. Cute little tea cart, actually. That is pretty nice. It's almost like a buffet style cabinet. And you got one chair that matches the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I put 2 in there. That's not bad. We got the angle irons with the thing. I think that, okay, let's do the math real quick. 1, 2, 6 chairs. I'm thinking $200 on the chairs. I'm thinking the Hoovers we got to look up. I'm thinking the barbecue or the fireplace thing plus the angle irons is $200. I'm thinking the golf clubs is about 75 to 100. Then you got the vacuum. There's got to be at least $500 and stuff in this little unit that really was not the most intriguing.